friends, Running Kimono. So we are back at Walgreens looking for some cheap toilet paper this week, and man, they are delivering. So specifically, we're looking for a curbside deal, meaning you're ordering this through your cell phone, tablet, or desktop computer, and then driving to the store and magically getting this stuff for $1.59 per. This is a very good price point for this toilet paper. So this is like a comparable to a Charmin. So it's a little 4-pack, but it's supposed to be magically 17 rolls of toilet paper. I've used this before, and it is a good amount of toilet paper. My husband, I don't know, I think he just likes to take the whole roll and flush it down the toilet. If you have one of those in your house, you know what I'm talking about. But it does last a long time, but it's $1.99 this week. The original price point is $4.99, $3 of savings right there. So again, as stated, curbside offer. So meaning you're hitting that blue button on the left-hand side of the Walgreens app, and this is going to be more of a unique one. We're going to throw 7 into the basket. If you like the strong or the soft, it's very comparable to Charmin. So you pick. I went with the soft one, which is the blue. I think it's very similar to Charmin Blue if that's your thing. So 7 of them is $13.93. However, we have a little code that's going to take a little bit off, specifically for the Walgreens brand products. So in the promotions tab, you'll type in WAG20. WAG20, exactly as stated, not WAGs, but WAG20. And $2.80 is melting off right there. So, I mean, this is just really fantastic because you're saving money right there. Throwing 7 of them into a basket is $13.93 with the code WAG20. I always want to say WAGs. Sorry, guys. That's $2.80 off right there. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax, but subtracting the tax, because I know the tax is different in every state, that's how I'm getting like $1.59 per pack. And you know what I would do, guys? I would definitely use some Walgreens cash. I would use $10 if you might have it and pay the $1.80 and call this a very smart deal. These are very sizable rolls. And it's just a lot of, like, you know, for your stockpile, especially if you're a newer couponer to Walgreens and you're like, I really want to build up my stockpile. Toilet paper doesn't go bad. And this is one item that if you can get 7 in a basket, make it happen. Also, throwing the same amount of toilet paper into a cart as a curbside pickup, along with one of the Oral-B floss picks. That's a perfect little item to keep in the car, in your purse. You ever get something stuck in your teeth and you're like fiddling with your teeth all afternoon? I certainly do that stupidity all the time. Load this digital coupon. We're looking at the basket in a different way if you can throw this in, or if you haven't used this digital coupon for that free floss picks. But looking at the overall basket, guys, 7 of those toilet papers, with the picks and WAG20, $2.80 coming off. Curbside pickup is free. The tax is a bit more at 73 cents. The dollar digital for the picks is coming off for a new total of $11.86. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay the $1.86 and call this a very smart offer. And whenever you can stock up on toilet paper for this cost, make it happen. Now, I know a lot of you are all about toilet paper. I certainly am. And I'm just going to give you a sneak peek of the Dollar General clearance event that's taking place on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is the Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper. So it's $4.50. And we have a dollar digital that's attaching. So that's $1.25 for a 12-pack of Scott toilet paper. There's also $1 back on coupons.com. So if you happen to find 2, you can do this twice. But like, this is the magic and razzle dazzle of this. And to be successful at a Dollar General clearance event, I know it's very intimidating if you're just a pharmacy shopper. But if you are able to load your coupons, go to your store and scout and do a little bit of prep work to see, like, are these carts around? Is this stuff in the store? Write a little list like Santa Claus, check it twice. I mean, guys, the more prepared you are and you know where exactly to shop, 43 cents for this razor, you can really make this happen. And I certainly would. It's a good mix of food, cleaning products, paper products, tons and tons of detergent as well, free toothpaste. I worked on a video for 2 days and I think I have like 4 or 5 freebies as well. So if you have a bit of time, especially on Friday, I would definitely head out. Look at this one store, how they staged all of the clearance detergent. Like, hi, that's an entire end cap. That's called Candyland. I'm really excited for Friday. So, as I said, guys, I made a video where I really walk you through how to use the Dollar General app and how to be successful at this event. I know it's super intimidating. I used to be right with you guys. I really wasn't sure what I was doing about 5, 6 years ago, but you get the hang of this, and there's a ton of freebies to be had and found. And just a spectacular clearance event. And there's a huge mix of paper, detergent, and food, the 3 things we love to stockpile as couponers. So if you are interested in this sort of thing, check out the video linked right here, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.